So that many students say that their answer is right. So good. And who have doubt, they can also ask me. Here you have to find the place value of the colored digit. You have to see in all the question whichever digit is colored and try to write the place value of that according to international system. So now next name Patel Zainab for next answer.
Okay, ma'am. Fatima Zahra Keshwani.
Okay.
Yes.
So Keshwani Fatima Zehra. So Zehra,
Yes.
you can tell me that here in the third question here, which digit is colored?
One.
1. And it is at which place?
And one, 10, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. In lakh.
And this is international. So what we will say? After ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, then 100,000. So it is at
100,000.
100,000 place. So now you tell me base value means after one, how many zeros I will put?
And after 1,000, you will put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 zero.
Yes, 50 because you can see in the question five digits are there after one. And then where we will put comma, Zehra?
You will comma in after 1.
After
1.
after one.
Yes.
This is international. So in international, after three digit and after three digit, we put the comma. Not like Indian. Okay. Do you want to revise that?
No, no.
In case that maybe you have doubt in
After
that.
100 means after 2, 1 and 2 0 after.
Huh. So from this, whether you can say after three zeros or from here after 100, we will put one comma. So whose this answer is right?
Ma'am, my answer is right, Balachmi. My answer is right, Tanzila Banu.
Say your name, whoever's answer is right.
Ma'am, my answer is right, Saima Hasmani.
Very good.
My answer is right. Ma'am, my answer is right, Balachmiza.
Very good, Nisa.
Ma'am, my answer is right, Ghabrani Zainab.
Very good, Zainab.
Ma'am, my answer is right, say Manisha.
Okay, very good.
Ma'am, my answer is right, Qureshi Fatima.
Okay. Okay, very good. Now next name Zainab.
Yes, ma'am. Fatima Keshwani.
Okay. Keshwani Fatima Mehendi sir. Do you want to say the next answer? Keshwani Fatima Mehendi Hasan.
Yes, ma'am.
So three we have solved A, B, C. Now we have to solve D. In D, which digit is colored? Which digit is
One, one digit is colored. Second digit.
this one, which is the second digit that is colored. Now you have to tell me place value of that. So tell me place value.
Place value is tens.
One and then after how many zero?
What, ma'am?
One and after that how many zero?
Four
See,
zero.
huh. 50. Very good.
Yes, five.
So again we are just I'm repeating, and you tell me about comma also. Where we will put comma? In international we will put comma after three digit, right?
Yes.
Hmm. Here. So again, I'm explaining the heading. Give the value of colored digit using international system. So again, please remember that it is international system, not Indian. Means when you put the comma at that time, you have to just be careful. When you put comma at that time. Now here you can see 3 is colored, 6 is colored, 1 is colored, and here also 1 is colored. So I told you two method. One method which you do very shortly, that कि इसके बाद कितने digit है. So after 3 you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are there. Right? After 3, 4 digits are there. So after 3 we
Yes.
will put 4 0. Then here 6, after 6 you can see that 6 digit. It means that 6 0 we will put. Here 1, after 1 you can see 5 digits are there. So we will put 5 0. Here also after 1, 5 digits are there. So we will put 5 0. And comma after 3 digits that way. And second method that you can see it is at which place. And I think so mostly all the students done the answer using first one, I guess. Many of the students have done this using first method, right? After that, how many digits are there that way? Now, question 4. What is the time? 10:38. So maybe we will finish this question today. So then now only one D will left and one E we will not do maybe, because very soon exam will come and uh, syllabus is also not yet over. Chapter 2 is left. That's why.
मैम जीनब
Yeah.
मैम
हाँ.
इन एग्जाम अभी जो आपने कराया ना वो हाईलाइटेड था, एग्जाम में हाईलाइटेड ही आएगा?
नहीं, अंडरलाइन होगा. जो भी डिजिट होगा वो अंडरलाइन होगा.
ओके.
Even my Fairbook also means I have given one PDF to you. I have sent to everyone personally, and that PDF is of my Fairbook. In that Fairbook also I have written this question like that only. Okay, find the place value of not colored but underlined digit in that Fairbook
मैम
also.
मेरे भी बाकी है.
क्या क्या
दी
बाकी है?
हाँ आंसर.
So write fast. And other students have finished, no? I thought that you have already finished, so I didn't ask you. Everyone have finished, no? This one.
My
यस मैम.
my work is done. मैम हो गया. Done.
Okay. And what about other students?
मैम ये क्वेश्चन 3 में मैंने फेयरबुक में है ना जो रेड पेन से है ना वो मैंने रेड पेन से लिखा, चलेगा?
हाँ. But
Okay.
next time, just see that PDF or ask me, okay? In the WhatsApp only, in message. Because sometime when you call, no, so I sometime record afternoon video or sometime I'm in the meeting. So I can't receive. But when you just ask me in the message, I can easily give reply. Now this is question 4. So Patel Zainab, give me next name for reading the heading. Patel Zainab. Are you giving me name Zainab? Patel Zainab?
Yes मैम.
हाँ.
नायानी सकीना.
Nayani Sakina, okay. Nayani Sakina, read the heading.
Okay ma'am. Write the following numbers into Indian and international system using both figures and words.
Okay, very good. So you can see this question number 4. Write the following numbers in the Indian and international system using both figures and words. So it means here these numbers are given, but you can see commas are not there. Carefully just observe this number. What is not there? Comma. Okay, you can see comma is not there in these numbers. So first, according to Indian system, we have to put comma and we have to write in words. Then we have to give heading international. Then we have to put comma and we have to write in words. So first I'm giving heading Indian, according to Indian. Okay, first we'll write according to Indian. Eight five 8009. So now first name Zainab.
Yes, ma'am.
Whose name you said? Zainab, whose name you said? Patel Zainab.
Ma'am, Saima.
Okay. Saima, so you first have to tell me according to Indian. Okay, first we are doing according to Indian.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, where we will put comma.
Ma'am, after 85.
After 8, no? Then
After 50.
after 50. So right. So again we are just revising. Like if you forgot maybe, then see here I have shown that where we will put comma. Here we will put comma, then here you can see after two digits. Two digits that way. And here 3 digit you can see. And if you want to just revise from that notes, then also I don't mind. After three
Ma'am,
digits.
we have,
Okay. What?
ma'am, we have to write notes in the fair book.
I have given the PDF no to you personally.
We have to write notes.
Don't ask together. Let me complete. मैं वही बोल रही हूँ. I have sent you PDF personally. In that PDF, notes were given and only questions were given, which you have to copy. And that answers you have to write with me during online class. Okay?
Zainab ma'am,
हाँ.
in my phone, मेरे फोन में आपने जो PDF सेंड की थी ना वो नहीं आई बिकॉज ऑफ मेरा फोन क्रैक हो गया था तो उसे रिपेयर कराने के लिए दिया था.
What is your name?
बहाजाज फातिमा.
Okay, I will see your number. Then I will
Okay.
send. So I was saying about this, how we will put comma. So according to Indian system, after 3, then after 2, that way. Okay? Is this clear how we will put comma? Or still anybody has doubt in Indian how we will put and in international?
In Indian.
In Indian, first after 3 digit from here, then 2 digit. And then suppose if more 2 digits, then after 2 digit, that way. And in international, three digits. Okay? In Indian, 3, then 2 digit, then 2 digit, two digit, that way. But in international, after 3 digit, after 3 digit, after 3 digit, after 3 digit. Understood everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now answer B. This was answer A, 85009. This one is means we have put comma. Now we will write in words. You can see here it is written write in words. This one in the heading. So in this answer A only, first we'll write in words. So next name Batal Zainab for writing the name of the places first.
Okay, ma'am. Pathan Zahra Bam.
Okay, Pathan Zehra, you tell me the name of the places.
Okay, ma'am. Ones, tens, 100,
Let me write.
1000,
Arey, let me write. Then
1000,
then
10,000,
हाँ,
and lakh.
very good. So this is Indian, that's why here lakh is there, otherwise 100,000. But mean suppose if it is international, then 100,000. So now we will write in words. So next name, line up for this
Okay,
one.
ma'am.
Next student will tell me how we will write this in words, means spelling.
Ma'am, English to medium is her ID.
No, English 2 is no student, it's not student's ID, but it is here, Mohdi schools, that PC, we are operating PC and we are giving link from PC, no, that is that ID, not student's ID. And here I forgot to write T, yeah? T, one more. I don't have a space, but you can write.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ये हम लोग लिख ले, फिर तुमको फोटो भेजने का है.
हाँ.
ओके. नीजा
Whose ID you said?
नाया निसकी.
Nana, that one. I know that you are asking me. Patel Zainab, next name. And tell me loudly.
ओके मैम. माधवानी मोदेसा.
Okay, Madhvani Modisa, you have to tell me spellings of this. As we have to write in words. You can see in the heading it is written.
व्हाट में?
You have to tell me spelling of this. We have to write this in words, no? मतलब इसको words में लिखना है this number. So how you will read? This is how many? 800, 8,000. This is how many? Who knows? This is how many? This.
मैम कैन आई?
Can I?
Say together. Say together. This is how many? How we will write this?
8,05,009.
Only 8 lakh. Just say one. Okay, 8 lakhs. So what is the spelling?
EIGHT 8 LAKH lakh.
Then this one is next.
50 FIFTY 50.
And spelling of thousand?
THOUSAND.
Okay, then now this one. So this 3 digit we have finished. Now only this 3. But in that 100 is not there only. So directly that last one.
9 NINE 9.
Yes. So this is Indian, okay? So just copy this and then we'll write even international.
In Fairbook.
हाँ.
मैम हम BCD ट्राई करें.
But international is left. First in A only you have to write international also, then only you can try BCD. Directly you can't try BCD, no? You can answer A is also incomplete. After Indian you have to write international. So first copy this much, then I will teach you international, then you can copy BCD. And those who already know international, they can write the answer of A also, international. I think so many of the students already know, right? So you can try.
Ma'am, we have to write international place value also.
Yes. But first complete Indian, then international. Because you can see here, it is written Indian and international system, both in the heading. That's why I always explain heading, because heading is very important.
Ma'am, my work is done. Kureshi Fatima Nautapai.
Okay.
Ma'am, my work is done. Gabrani Zainab.
Very good,
Ma'am, my
Gabran.
work is finished. Walaj Miza.
Very good, Nisa. So now you can try international if you are confident. Means those who have finished it.
Ma'am, my work is finished. Nayani Sakina.
Very good. Now I think so enough time I have given. Shall I wait for anybody or shall we start international?
Ma'am, 2 minutes. Ma'am, 2 minutes.
Who is saying that 2 minutes? Say your name.
Insia Fatima.
Pujani, no?
Yes.
Please fast. Another anybody who is left?
No.
Now it is 10:55, so let me explain international so that you can try at home. So now international. And you can write full in your book. Write the same question 850009. So where we will put comma? Say together.
After 3.
After 3 digit, right? Here.
Ma'am, after 3 digits.
Then name of the place is ones, 10,
10, 100,
100,
1000,
10,000,
and then this is international. So
100,000.
100,000.
100,000. So now how we will write this in the words? So I'm just explaining you. This is at 100,000 place. So we will not even write thousand with that, but only 800. So spelling is EIGHT 8. Then spelling of 100.
HUNDRED.
HUNDRED.
You can see this is so three places are thousands place. ये तीनों place thousand की place है. In that you can see 850. So this is 50 and then 1000. So spelling of 50 and 1000.
FIFTY 50.
FIFTY 50. THOUSAND. US CHOUSADY.
There. So directly 9.
N9.
CHOUSAND.
9.
So now
N9.
and try BCD in homework, okay? Just try and then tomorrow you can ask me out.
मैम आपने PDF भेजी है
कब?
इन सब की
आपने जो आज करवाई आप उसकी पीडीएफ भेजने वाले हैं आप?
I have already sent before so many days.
मैम
What?
क्वेश्चन बी का आंसर क्या था?
इसका क्वेश्चन इससे पहले वाला that you are asking.
बी
Now, from PDF because other students are copying this.
Other copying only answers. You meant.
This is international.
Ma'am,
So all the question you have to give both the heading. Indian भी heading देना पड़ेगा. Then you give the heading of international also. Then after giving write the question, then add the comma and then write in the words. Okay.
मैम आप PDF भेजोगे?
I have already sent. I guess you are not checking the PDF means group properly, or maybe you are just deleting.
I think so deleting. I'm not deleting. किसी में मेमोरी फुल हो जाती है तो वो डिलीट कर देते हैं.
हाँ, exactly. So just copy this first and try BCD in homework. You have to try this BCD.
okay.
Now, is there anyone who is left? बाकी किसी का कॉपी करना?
No, ma'am.
Or take the screenshot so that we can end the lecture because time is up.
मैंने स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया.
Okay.
मैंने भी
Ma'am,
ले लिया.
what is today's puzzle?
I said no, I'm giving 1 day for that old person only.